In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add admin in Meta Business Suite. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Meta Business Suite. You're looking for the official Meta page, so check that the URL is on a Meta or Facebook domain before you click. This helps you avoid spoofed pages and ensures you're signing in securely. Click the correct link to open Meta Business Suite. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in using your Facebook or Instagram credentials. Use the account that owns or is already connected to the business you manage. If you have two-factor authentication, complete that step for added security. Once you're in, you'll land on the Meta Business Suite dashboard. From here, head to Settings. You can usually find settings from the left sidebar. If the layout looks a little different, don't worry. Meta updates their interface from time to time. Just look for the gear icon or a settings label. Inside Settings, look to the left-hand menu. Under the Users, or sometimes the Accounts section, click People. This is where you manage who has access to your business and what they can do. In the People area, click the Invite People button at the top right. This opens the invitation panel. Type the email address of the person you want to add. It's best to use the email linked to their personal Facebook account, as this makes it easier for Meta to match their profile to the invite and avoids delays. Double-check for typos before proceeding. To make them an admin, toggle the Full Control option to On. This grants them complete access to manage settings, people, and assets across your business. Only assign full control to someone you fully trust, since they'll be able to make high-impact changes. Click Next. Now choose the specific business assets, such as Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, and ad accounts, that you want them to manage. Even with full control, it's helpful to confirm they have access to the exact assets they need so they can start working immediately. Review everything carefully: the person's email, the full control setting, and the asset selections. When you're confident it's correct, click Send Invitation. The person will receive an email and a notification in Meta to accept the invite. Until they accept, their status will show as pending in your people list. If needed, you can resend or cancel the invite from the same screen. That's it. You've successfully invited an admin in Meta Business Suite. Keep your team list up to date and periodically review access to ensure only the right people have full control.